My name is Melody, and I'm starting this new channel called Moments with Melody. I'm 58 years old, and I believe I have a few things that I could share with the world. I was born in a city of about 45,000 people, and later in life I moved to a larger city, Tulsa, Oklahoma to be exact, and I lived there close to 10 years, and now I'm living in the country from a town that up until a few years ago didn't even have a stoplight. Excuse me. Right now, I'm bedbound and on hospice care. I have multiple sclerosis. I'm insulin-dependent diabetic. I have diverticulitis, gout, and I'm in heart failure. But I'm still alive and I'm still kicking due to the love of my family, prayers, and because God's not through with me yet. I decided to start this channel to share some of the things I've learned over the years. I have a blog that I ran for years, and on that blog I taught people how to make a loaf of bread from start to finish in an hour. And that includes all the, rice time and everything. And a lot of people said, oh, you can't do that. You used a bread machine or something. And I'm telling you, I did not. I can make 1 to 2 truly homemade loaves of bread, artisan, good, crusty, great bread from start to finish in an hour. And I also, made my own homemade laundry detergent, dishwasher detergent. I dehydrated about everything under the sun and basically taught people how to live more sustainable. And this Moments with Melody is going to be something like that. I'm just going to share some of the things that I've learned the past 58 years because, there's a lot that I have done and did and didn't do and could have done and should have done, and I have dealt it and I've smelt it. I've drove it and I've rode it and I've steered it and I've started it. I baked it, I cooked it, I fried it. I dug it, I buried it, I read it, I wrote it, I drew it, I painted it, I sang it, I prayed it. And since I've done all of that, I figured I might have a little bit, maybe just a little bit of wisdom that I might be able to share with y'all. And if there's something in particular you want to let me know about, just let me know and I'll try to tell you. And if there's questions you want to ask me, and either I'll answer on them or I won't. Anyway, thanks for coming along the journey with me. I hope to see you on the next Moments with Melody. Bye-bye.